Look! So cute, baby! The baby is playing with me. Look, the baby. So cute. Oh. So cute, guys. This is so cute. We can play for 10 hours or 7. Bro, the baby. Baby. What? It came near me. Lol. Wait. Guys, look! He can stand like this. He is learning to fly and eat. Let's see if he can fly. He's trying to fly. Oh, he fell down. I'm sure he didn't get hurt. Lol. Can you see his face? We cannot see his face. Ah! Wow, look. No, just kidding. Wow. Hey, bro. Yes. Bro, he came to me. Bro is accidentally so cute. Bye guys, see you in the part 2. If he turns 40 days, we can play so much. I will record how it turns. Bye.